Okay, okay, that's his new channel. Yes, let me just be.
Hi guys,
Welcome
welcome
to
to
our
our
channel.
channel, Silver Fanatic.
Yes, guys. Today's video it's a little
Yes.
bit different.
Mm.
Okay, we're done sending out everything.
Yeah.
So I think our table is clean. We
Mm.
sent all the winners, the last
Yes.
time winners
For a
for that
giveaway.
giveaway that we did. We sent everything. We sent the stickers. So we have nothing else to do now. We've tied it up.
That we did have a little bit problem with the post office, so now it's sorted.
Yeah, now it's a bit sorted. Everything is good. So we feel now that it is time for
A new
a new giveaway, guys.
400
Yes,
subscriber
for
giveaway.
400 subscriber, guys. It's here. Yeah, before we announce what we are giving away, I'd like to do a shout out first.
Yes.
Firstly for Saj.
Yes.
Give a shout out for Saj. I will leave
The link.
his channel.
Link.
Yeah.
Yes.
Underneath that finger, let me try and be fancy this time around. Underneath that finger, I will leave a link to his channel. I'll leave his channel
link on the description.
And I will show it underneath that finger.
Oh, so you can find it there.
Yes, let me just be fancy for a while. Okay. And there's another channel, guys, Irish Stacker. Most of you knows him as Irish
Gold Stacker.
Irish Gold Stacker. Yes. Yeah, I think he's back. Okay, for some of you that don't know, came back. I think he changed the channel name. I'll also put the channel name there underneath that thing. I'm trying to be fancy. It will be there like now.
Oh, the link, yeah.
Okay, that's his new channel, guys. Please go check it out. He's back. Yeah, he's been with the family for quite some time. Just give him the support. Just go check him out, guys. Okay. Like to give a shout out to those two channels. Awesome channels, guys.
Yes.
Very nice. Underrated. Okay. All right, guys. Today's video we are giving away
2021 Britannia,
guys.
Yes.
Okay, this is our giveaway. Okay, 2021 Britannia, and one of our commemorative coin, guys.
Yes.
This one, the Union Building.
Yes.
Okay, and one of our commemorative coins. Okay. Rules to the giveaway.
Simple.
They're very simple, guys. Straightforward. Publicly subscribe.
Yes. Comment.
Like on this video and leave a comment on this video. Simple, straightforward, guys. Okay. This is our 400 giveaway. So once we reach 400, we will be giving away these coins, guys.
Yes.
Okay. So it will be.
We're gonna announce the winner.
Yeah, it will be the YouTube
picker.
Random picker, guys. We'll use that.
Simple.
It's simple as well. We don't want to complicate things. We just want to keep it simple.
Yeah.
So that's what we'll be using
for 400 subscribers.
For 400 subscriber, guys. Okay. At the moment, we are here. Trying to be fancy, guys. You have to be fancy once in a while. I'll show it now. Okay, there. Okay, that is where we are at the moment. So we're trying to push for 400. So once we reach 400 subscribers, guys, we're giving away those coins. Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Before we say thank you.
Okay.
Before we say thank you, we haven't forgotten about this tube, guys.
Oh yes.
We haven't forgotten about this tube. It needs to be filled. It's overdue.
Yeah.
Soon we need to fill this tube. Okay, that was our New Year's resolution.
Gold, we haven't.
A full tube and the 110 gold, guys. So this tube needs to be filled. Okay, and then that is our gold. It's really delayed a lot. And
also
this is our
one needs
gold.
to be full.
This one needs to be full as well, guys.
Maybe when it's full, you can go to half
or 1 ounce.
Oh.
Half or 1 ounce after that. Okay, once this is full. Okay, as we said, 1 full silver tube
and 1/10
and 1/10 gold, guys. So once we fill that, we need to add on to that one as well. Okay, all right. I think today's video was just about that.
Yes, we're announcing a giveaway that we're gonna be having once we reach 400. Yes,
guys. Okay, that's we're gonna be announcing once we reach 400 subscriber. Rules again: publicly subscribe, like on this video, and comment on this video. Because this is the video we're going to be using for the giveaway. This one. Yes. This video. Okay.
No shout outs. Nothing.
Okay. All right, guys. Like to thank our subscribers.
That's true. Yes.
Okay. Like to say thank you. Thank you.
All those who have supported us.
And those that have supported us till this far, we'd like to say thank you so much. You know who you are. Very much thankful.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Today's video was just about that.
That's true.
Our giveaway. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Bye.